Claude AI versus VS Code, best AI generator. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Claude AI and VS Code. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Claude AI. Claude AI is a conversational AI assistant created by Anthropic that's designed for reasoning, code generation, and natural language understanding. Pros of Claude AI: great for generating and explaining code in natural language, strong understanding of context and instructions, easy to use with no installation needed, can be used for writing, summarizing, and ideation beyond coding. Works well in chat-based environments. Cons of Claude AI: not a full code editor or IT, lacks real-time debugging or execution environment, limited by interface and usage gaps in some versions. Now, let's talk about VS Code. VS Code is a source code editor developed by Microsoft that supports AI tools like GitHub Copilot and other coding assistants through extensions. Pros of VS Code: full-featured code editor with support for many languages. Can integrate AI tools like Copilot, Code Whisperer, etc. Allows for live testing, debugging, and terminal use. Highly customizable and extendable. Free and open source. Cons of VS Code: requires setup and extensions to use AI features. Learning curve for beginners. AI performance depends on the plugin use. So that's basically the main differences are between Claude AI and VS Code, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.